everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good, and in this video I am going to share things that I got from Nykaa. Honestly, I was not planning to buy anything, but I just wanted to buy a shampoo and I went on to Nykaa and one thing led to another and I got a few items. So I hope you're excited. Let's get started. So the very first item that I got is this shampoo, Schwarzkopf Hyaluronic Moisture Kick. So this is the shampoo I wanted to get. I heard a good thing about this shampoo from my friend, so I thought of giving it a try, and yeah, I have high hopes. I've never tried any of the shampoo from Schwarzkopf and I hope I like it. With the same shampoo, I also got this mask from the same range. I have a mask from L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert Golden one that is really great. I just wanted to buy one more, good professional mask, so I thought of give it a try and let's see. Then I got this Wadi Herbal Kesan Chandan facial bar. Now I know that you are not supposed to use soap on your face, but it is specially made for your face, so I think it's okay to use this one. And I also saw a good review about this one, and I have used Wadi Herbal's product before, like one foot cream I used and one soap I used. I was really impressed. The foot cream was really great and the soap was also good. So I thought of giving it a try. Rating was really great, so why not? Then I got this in caffeine का guasha. Now बहुत दिनों से मैं guasha ऑर्डर करने का सोच रही थी, बट इसका प्राइस थोड़ा 1500 2000 इस रेंज में चल रहा होता है. एंड जो भी मतलब guasha एक दो ब्रांड के guasha थे वहाँ पे नायका पे, जो कि 800-900 के आसपास में मिल जाते हैं, लेकिन वो जब भी मैं कार्ट में ऐड करती थी और एक दो दिन के बाद वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता था. इस बार मुझे इन कैफीन का मिला. आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. इसका प्राइस 799 ऐसा कुछ था. इस थॉट ऑफ बाइंग इट. मेरे को बहुत दिन से गुआशा यूज़ करने का मन था. मैंने अभी तक इसको यूज़ नहीं किया है. आई हैव टू लर्न द टेक्निक हाउ टू यूज़ दिस. देन आई गॉट दिस. वेयर इज द पैकेजिंग ऑफ दिस? ओके, सो देन आई गॉट दिस वादी हर्बल्स एंटी एजिंग क्रीम. दिस साइड मैंने वादी हर्बल का बहुत एक दो प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, सो आई थॉट ऑफ गिविंग ट्राई टू फ्यू अदर क्रीम्स एज वेल, बिकॉज क्रीम्स आर रियली ग्रेट. वादी हर्बल्स के सारे वादी हर्बल्स के सारे प्रोडक्ट पे रेटिंग्स रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे थे and it's affordable as well. Next up I got is this Plum Mandarin and Vitamin C 15% serum, and this is fragrance free. That is a good thing. As a brand I really like Plum. मैंने ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं किए हैं प्लम के, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स यूज़ करते हैं. एंड विटामिन सी मैंने पहले भी एक यूज़ किया था कुछ बहुत दिन पहले, लाइक न्यूट्रीजीना का था वो शायद, नॉट श्योर. It's been a long time, like 2 to 3 years back. But I didn't like that serum that much. मेरे को ज़्यादा इफेक्ट नहीं दिखा मेरे ऊपर. Like serums are mostly most of the time they are expensive, so it was kind of expensive and I didn't like the effect. I didn't see any effect. बट बहुत दिनों से मुझे ट्राई करने का मन था, और प्लम एज अ ब्रांड आई रियली लाइक इट. सो इसका 2-3 जगह पे रिव्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे, तो I thought of giving to try. This is how it comes. It has a dark bottle, which is really good because I've heard that you are supposed to keep the vitamin C serum or this kind of active ingredient in the dark bottle, so it doesn't get oxidized and everything. Then I got these two freebies. These are Caffeine Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Face Scrub, and this one is Coffee Face Wash in the same range. I think मुझे ये 2-3 बार ये combo मुझे free में मिल चुका है नायका से, and I'm just storing it. Whenever I travel I use these mini sizes. In makeup I got only 2 things. These are Sugar Bronzer and Blush. So far I didn't have any official blush or contour or bronzer palette, anything. So I generally use whatever palette I have, eyeshadow palette, I use the shade from them to get the blush effect or contour effect. Else I would use the lipstick that I have in the same shade. I try to do those things. So this is the first blush or contour or bronzer palette that I'm getting. This is really pretty package, I have to say. This is really cute, and it has a magnetic lid. So with that, we are done with this video. I really hope you liked it, and I'm excited about few of these products. For example, vitamin C and the shampoo and the face anti-aging cream. Actually, I'm excited about all of these things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section anything you wanted to say, anything. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.